And Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Thunderstorms from north central Nebraska to the western high plains continue to track southeast through this evening. Numerous severe storms are possible all the way through this evening at 10. Hazards including wind gusts up to 75 and large hail. Central and western areas of Nebraska and Kansas are in a slight risk of severe storms. That level 2 of 5, a higher enhanced risk, a level 3 of 5, covers areas along and south of I-80 in southwest and south central Nebraska, along with the western half of Kansas. Heavy rain may also cause some localized flooding. Occasional small chances for mostly non-severe thunderstorms continue for the weekend all the way through Tuesday as low pressure slowly departs. After seasonal highs in the mid-80s to the low 90s this afternoon, we'll see highs drop into the mid-70s to the mid-80s for tomorrow through Tuesday. Warmer highs in the mid-80s to the low 90s and dry weather are likely late next week with a building ridge of high pressure. The long-term forecast for Nebraska and Kansas begins with mostly seasonal temperatures on Wednesday before quickly turning warmer than normal late next week through the first day of August. Mostly near normal rainfall is predicted for Nebraska and Kansas Wednesday through August 1st. Those rain chances a bit lower over western Nebraska the middle of next week. Taking a look at the just released outlook for the month of August, a ridge of high pressure over the western U.S. looks to keep Nebraska and Kansas with warmer than normal temperatures and slightly below normal rainfall next month. You can view those maps on our KRVN Facebook page. Key weather factors influencing the markets include cooler weather with occasional rain for the Corn Belt and hotter and drier conditions for the northern plains, Canadian prairies, and Black Sea region. Rain continues the next several days in the southern U.S., leading to 5-day rainfall that could reach 2 to 4 inches from central and eastern Texas all the way to the mid and southern Atlantic states. Lighter and occasional rain affects the plains and Midwest, although 5-day totals of an inch or more may occur, including parts of the western Corn Belt. Triple-digit heat affects many low-elevation western U.S. locations well into next week. The western U.S. heat extends as far east as the northern plains and the Canadian prairies. The northern plains welcome the heat to increase crop development, but the heat is a concern in dry areas of the Canadian prairies. In the Black Sea region, hot and dry weather is keeping growing conditions tough for corn and sunflowers. Rain chances improve in the Black Sea region next week, but widespread heavy rain is not likely. Europe continues to be too wet in the northwest for wheat harvest, and the southeast is too dry with only sporadic rain. For Argentina, rain is needed for vegetative wheat. Chances of rain increase over the next week in Argentina, but should only be light to moderate. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of the ag weather.